craving pizza but don't want to turn on the oven? Today, I'm making these adorable mini pizzas right in the air fryer. They're soft and fluffy inside, cheesy and golden on top, and the best part? They cook in just minutes. Stay till the end to see how delicious they turn out. Let's start by making our pizza dough. In a mixing bowl, add 110 milliliters of lukewarm milk. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of yeast. Next, add 2 tablespoons of oil and give everything a really good mix. The sugar not only adds a little flavor, but also helps activate our yeast. Now we're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, followed by salt to taste. Start combining everything together until you get a soft, slightly sticky dough. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfectly smooth yet. We're going to knead it next, and knead it for around 5 to 7 minutes. As you continue kneading, you'll notice the dough becoming smoother, softer, and much easier to work with. Once you have a nice smooth dough, shape it into a ball. Rub a little oil over the dough so the surface doesn't dry out while it rests. Cover it and leave it in a warm place for about 30 minutes. This resting time gives the yeast a chance to work its magic and helps us get that lovely, soft pizza base. After 30 minutes, our dough is ready. Take it out, dust it with a little flour, and knead it again for just a few moments. If you enjoyed this easy air fryer mini pizza recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy recipes. Now, lightly dust your work surface with flour and place the dough on top. Using a rolling pin, roll the dough out evenly. Try not to make it extremely thin because we still want our mini pizzas to have a nice, soft, and fluffy base. Now, for the fun part. Take a round cookie cutter and start cutting out your mini pizza bases. They already look so cute. Gather any leftover dough, roll it again, and cut out a few more bases so nothing goes to waste. Before adding the toppings, use a fork to gently prick each pizza base a few times while cooking. This is a small but important step because it helps prevent the dough from puffing up too much while cooking. And now our mini pizza bases are ready for all those delicious toppings. Start by spreading some pizza sauce over each base. Make sure you leave a tiny border around the edges to give them that classic pizza look. Next comes my favorite part. The cheese. Add a generous layer of mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella melts beautifully and gives us that irresistible cheesy pizza topping. Now add some sausage slices. Then sprinkle over some chopped capsicum for a little crunch, freshness, and color. Of course, you can completely customize these mini pizzas with whatever toppings you have at home. Finish everything with a sprinkle of oregano for that classic pizza aroma and some chili flakes for a little kick. And just look at these. They're not even cooked yet, and they already look delicious. Before cooking, preheat your air fryer at 160 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Preheating helps the pizzas start cooking immediately and gives us a better texture. Carefully place the mini pizzas into your air fryer basket. Make sure you leave a little space between them and don't overcrowd the basket. Depending on the size of your air fryer, you may need to cook them in batches. Now, air fry at 160 degrees Celsius for around 7 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on them toward the end because every air fryer can cook slightly differently. And they're ready! Look at that beautiful melted mozzarella and those golden edges, and the smell of the oregano, cheese, and freshly baked pizza is absolutely amazing. If you enjoyed this easy air fryer mini pizza recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy recipes, and let me know in the comments what toppings you would put on your mini pizzas. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next recipe.